here the view is the 1, 2, 3, 4 cedars bridge view. And this is the sign, isn't it? No, it's further out. I should be able to walk through there, but it's got to be trimmed up. Oh, almost fell. I like this above it. This is only one cedar bridge view. Because you can only see one of the cedars. And this is also hanging under the fluff. That's chair 8. Oh, I didn't take a picture of it. So that would be another one. That would be like Alder Cove. It's not there now, but so we're melting out here. Of course, now the rain is going to go right into this nice fabric. And this is right across from the sign to Marshwoods. And this is number 9. Marshwoods sign view. It's a beautiful little curve. That big stack right there is a sedge. Okay, now we're near the dam. We need another one in there. That's an awesome spot. Logjam view. See, wouldn't it be cool to have a whole bunch of people come and take a stroll through here and everybody gets a chair and then they write about it. So it'd be kind of like a writer's retreat. Okay, and this is the main dam. So there should be one right here too. It's below the dam. And they'll get new names as I sit in them and look. And this is the main dam right here. It's chair 10. I'll work that off after the ice. Okay, so now this is, I always called this my canoe parking spot. Because I always parked my canoe way back up there. When this was the dam and all this was flooded, it was a big, huge lake. I parked my canoe up there. That was my canoe hiding space. And this is the marsh. So I guess this should be Marshview. That's why it's an island, because it's a marsh. I should put chairs throughout it though. And there should be one right here at my post. Oh, this isn't one though. That would be Tipi View. You see, at every one of these chairs, you get different birds. And you see different angles of things too. Okay, so this is actually Tipi View, I guess. Or below the bridge. Footbridge. Okay, I guess we'll stop this and start another one.